Hello everyone, and welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into one of the best Happy Mother's Day cards for godmothers available on the market right now. It's the Huameigf Lovely Mother's Day card for Godmother. Whether you're celebrating Mother's Day or a special birthday for your godmother, this card promises to bring a smile to her face. This isn't just any ordinary greeting card. It's carefully designed with a touch of humor and heartfelt sentiments. Perfect for expressing your appreciation to someone as special as your godmother. As you can see, the design is playful yet elegant, making it a perfect choice for celebrating your godmother. The envelope ensures that the card arrives in pristine condition, ready to deliver your heartfelt message. In conclusion, if you're looking for a thoughtful and memorable gift for your godmother, the Huameigf Lovely Mother's Day card is an excellent choice. Its combination of humor, warmth, and quality craftsmanship makes it stand out among the rest. Thank you for watching today's review on Product Critique. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more product reviews and recommendations. Until next time, take care and happy gifting.